We are cooking seafood mee sua soup today. This is 1 piece of salmon fillet cut into slices, 6 prawns, 4 slices of ginger, 1 piece of threadfin fillet also cut into slices, and some fried shallots. We are using handmade mee sua, and this is 1 packet of caixin. We start by boiling a pot of water. Add the ginger and add the threadfin slices. Scoop out when the fish is cooked and the water comes back to a boil. Do the same for the salmon sizes. For the prawns, we will boil until they are just cooked and immediately place them under running tap water to prevent them from being overcooked. Add some fried shallots. We are using 1 teaspoon for each person into the soup and set the soup aside. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in another pot of water and blanch the caixin. We are now going to cook the mee sua. Mee sua are salty. For this brand, which I normally use, it is less salty than many other brands of mee sua, and I know I can just add them into the soup directly if I'm cooking for just 1 person. However, if you are using a new brand of mee sua, or if you are cooking for many, like what I'm doing today, it is always safer to cook the mee sua separately in another pot of water. Cook the mee sua to the texture you like and put them into the serving bowl. Taste the remaining water from cooking the mee sua. Add an appropriate amount of this water into the soup we prepared earlier in part 1. In this way, we can always control the amount of salt in the soup base. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.